Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you the round formula. The use of round formula is, you can see here, I have mentioned here clearly that select the first cell and type in the formula is equal to round in bracket A3. The value of A3 is this, and comma and 2. 2 is for what? I can read here in bracket A3 comma 2 to round up the first two decimal places as shown in the images below. So you can understand easily that I'll remove all these applied formula here. I'll type here is equal to round. I write here round in bracket. I select the cell value, or I can manually type here A3 2, because we want two decimal value here. Enter. Now you can see the number which is given in A3 value is given to 25.8765,858. Now in round figure it is 82.88, right? This is the round figure value. So this is how you can get round figure value, right? So I select all the cells, and now you can see in all the cells round formula is applied here. Thank you for watching.